class. This video comes at you from my living room on a beautiful evening where I am just trying to finish up my homework so I can spend some time with my family and maybe decorate that beautiful Christmas tree that my daughter picked out. Get some ornaments on that after it's been sitting there for a week staring at us. Want you to know this is my third time trying this video, and it's kind of a part of my epiphany. This class in itself has pushed me to my limits, and I entitled my epiphany The Fear of the Unknown, and I try hard not to have that fear anymore. I definitely have persevered, but as I was hopeful a couple of hours ago to get this assignment done, I see how challenged technology and I are, and it's funny because, my family sits here and listens to me do my homework, and it never fails, or I say, I can't find this. I don't know what happened to it. I downloaded it. I don't know where it went. And this is yet another situation like that. But I really have learned a lot. This semester I have done things that I never could have imagined doing, pretty much all of it. I feel that 95% of my learning this semester was brand new learning. So before I get too far into my video for you, I want you to see a quick Lumen 5 that I put together. A few hours ago, when I began preparing this video and thinking about how I wanted to piece this together, I was a lot more confident. The fear of the unknown, no more. And now, 3.5 hours later, I'm just less confident. And that's how this class has gone. It's been up the roller coaster and down. But I did it. I experienced Lumen 5, which has been my biggest takeaway from this class. Is definitely something that I'm using in my classroom. My students love it. My Geek Out turned out wonderful. And again, in my classroom, I am doing great things with the Class Dojo portfolio and the Remind 101 and just reaching parents that I've never done before. And even this week with sharing everything that we did in our group, I have taken on new ideas from my team. And I'm going to try some new things with my kids this week with virtual field trips and what Danielle did. Nearpod? No, Dan did the Nearpod, and I'm really intrigued by that. And Danielle did the create a book, and I'm going to test that out tomorrow morning. So not much of this class has been dull, not one dull moment. I have just learned exponentially, and I would say that definitely every single assignment, every single task that I have had to complete this semester has been a challenge of some sort. Nothing was new and easy for me, not working with Wiki. Wiki and I really had some nice battles, and I had to crack up. Like, it wasn't until week 10 or 11 when Alex Mack, I reached out to him, and he said, you just click and drag the file. And I thought, are you serious? I have been trying to cut and paste and format and, just knock down, drag outs with Wiki. So, I think my fear has lessened, but my success has definitely been a bit of a roller coaster. So my epiphany is this entire class pushed me in at the deep end, and I think I managed to stay afloat the whole time. I learned more than I ever can imagine, and I'm actually applying a good part of it, and I will continue to do so in my teaching. So in the end, it's definitely made me a better teacher, and that is the point of all of this. So hopefully, again, third try, I will be able to finish this video and upload it to YouTube and click and drag it and be almost done after my summary on Tuesday. So thanks, Dr. S. We'll see you again next semester. Epiphany.